Now 199 students joined it. Okay, good afternoon. Waited 2 minutes. Only 200 students joined. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, now 266 students joined it. Shall I start the class? Today I explain about the fourth unit, second topic. Okay, fourth unit second part contains the sorting methods. Okay, all of you know what is sorting. Sorting means arrange the numbers or arrange the letters or arrange the words in some order. Okay, in our syllabus, the sorting is applied to the integer numbers. Okay, sorting means arrange the numbers in either ascending order or descending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending order or descending order. For example, 50, 20, 30, 10, 5. So the five values, five elements. The list contains the five elements. Okay, arrange this list in order, in sorted order means we arrange the numbers in ascending order. So first 5, next 10, next 20, next 30, and 50. This is the sorted order. Okay, there are the number of sorting techniques in the programming languages. Okay, bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort. There's the different techniques are there to sort the list elements in ascending order, descending order. In our syllabus, three sorting techniques. One is the merge sort, heap sort, and external sort. These three techniques in our syllabus. Okay, today I explain about the merge sort. My screen is visible to all. My screen is visible. Okay, thank you, thank you. Okay, today I explain about the merge sort. Merge sort is arrange the numbers in either ascending order, descending order. Okay, merge sort main technique is divide and conquer. Divide and conquer technique. Merge sort. Okay, madam. Okay, merge sort is uh, divide and conquer strategy. Follow the divide and conquer strategy. Divide and conquer strategy. Okay, divide means you divide the list into the parts, and next the parts are combined into one to one. That is the main strategy of the merge sort technique. Okay, merge sort is divide and conquer strategy. Follow the divide and conquer strategy. Okay, 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 madam. Okay, okay. Okay, merge sort follows the divide and conquer strategy. The conquer means combinations. Combine the parts into again single one. Okay, first you divide the list into parts. Next one, after divide the sum level, it combine the each part into last one. It goes to a single part. Okay, 1204. Okay, see the example. You can understand. Okay. Medsort is the application of the recursive function. All of you know the recursive function. Medsort is the application of the recursive function. Recursive function means a function calls itself is called a recursive function. A function call itself is a recursive function. In Medsort technique, we are using the recursive function. Okay, merge sort. There are the four main steps in merge sort. The first one is okay. First, here see this example. Uh, do you see this screen? Okay, merge sort divide the list into two parts. Merge sort divide the list into two parts up to the lowest index value less than highest index value in the list. Okay, here see this example. The list contains 7 elements: 38, 27, 43, 3, 9, 82, and 10. Okay, list or array. This array contains 7 elements. Okay, this array is divided into two parts or two halves. So two parts. How to divide the two parts? It combines what is the index of the starting element of the array? 0. What the last element index value? Size minus 1. So divide the part equal parts. So 0 plus size minus 1 by 2. So what is the in this example? The first index is 0, last one is 6. So 0 plus 6 by 2. What the value? Integer value. 6 by 2 integer value 3. 6 by 2 integer value 3. So you divide the first part is 0 to that 0 plus 6 by 2 value is called a mid value. So you divide the list array into two parts. first part contains the values from 0 to mid, and second part contains the mid plus 1 to 5 minus 1. So first part is 0 to mid. So 0 to mid means 0 to 3. So first is 0th element 38, 1th element 27, second element 43, third element 3. Next, mid plus 1. So what is the mid plus 1 value? 4. The fourth element to sixth element is the second part. So 9, 82, 10. Okay. Next, well, again it divide the these two parts into again two parts. So first it go to the left side part. This is divided into two parts. So what is the first index value? 0. The last element index value 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 plus 3 by 2. What is the integer value? 0 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 value 1. 3 by 2 value 1. Okay. 0, 3 by 2, 1. So 1. So 0 to 1 is 0 to 1 is the first part, and 1 plus 1. So 2 to 3 is the second part. So 0 to 3, 0 to 1 means 0th element and first element, and 38 and 27. Next part is 43 and 3. This is the second part. I'll go to the second one. So again it divided into two parts. So what is the first index? 0. What is the last index? 1. 0 plus 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2 value? 1 by 2 value? 1 by 2 value 0. What is the integer value of 1 by 2? 0, 0. So the only one is the 38. So it go to the low, here in this case L value is 0, and right value also, the lowest index value 0, highest in value, both are zeros. So in this stop here. So division is stop here. Next one, what is the second part? So 0 plus 1 to last one. 0 plus 1 means 1 to last. That is the only 27. Here also lower index and higher index are same. So stop here. Okay. Next, again after this, the combination conquering process start. So compare these two values, 38 and 27. Which one is the least? Which one is the minimum? Less than the second. Which one is the lower value? 27. So 27 move to this year, and 38 move to here. So up to here, the starting is over. Next, go to right side part. Next, go to right side part. In the right side, 38, 27 is sorted. Next, go to this side, 43 and 3. Well, again, here, what is the 43? This is the, in this list, this is the 0th element, this is the 1th element. So 0 plus 1 by 2, again 0. So 43 is the only one element, and right side only one element 3. So compare these two, 43 and 3. So 3 is the less than the 43. So swap these elements. So 3 come to here and 43 come to here. Okay, next level, here 27, 38 and 3 to 48, 43. Well, again apply the conquering here. This is the list 1. Okay, this is the list 1, or this is the list 2. Assume this is the list 1, this is the list 2. In list 1, list 2 comparison, the first two elements, both list first elements are compared. So first list 1, 0th element, list 2, 0th element compare. So 27, 3. Which one is the list value? 3 is the list one. That is move to the target array, means sorted array, 3. Next, in this control variable is increased by 1. So the now control move to 43. Now compare the 43 with 27. Compare the 43 with 27. The 27 is the less than 43. So 27 move to the sorted array, 27. Now here control variable move to increase by 1. Now control, so now we go to the 38. Now 38 compare with 43. So 38 less than 43. So 38 move to sorted array. So list 1 is completed. So what are the elements in the list 2? the rest of elements in the list to directly copy to the sorted list. So 43 directly move to the sorted array. So this side up to here, this is sorted. Next, mal again go to the same process in right side also. Are you understand? Do you understand? It divide the list into parts up to the single element. After division of the single element, compare the side by side elements and sorted the one by one. Okay, this process contains the 4 steps. These 4 steps are merge sort. See here, merge sort algorithm steps. What is the algorithm? Step by step procedure is called a algorithm. Here, this is only algorithm. I will explain the program also today. Here, merge sort ARR is the array name. L is the lowest bound, the left side index value. R is the right side index value. Okay. This process is continued. R right side value greater than L or L less than R, anyone. Okay. R greater than L or L less than or anyone. In this case, it repeat the process. The first one, what is the first step in the merge sort? Find the middle point to divide the array into 2 parts or 2 halves. So middle M is equal to L plus R by 2. We calculate the middle point L plus R by 2. Okay. Next, call the merge sort for first half. We call the merge sort for the first half. That is called the merge sort of array L comma M. What is the M here? Middle value. Okay. Here we call the merge sort up to here. Mal again divide the 2 parts. So same process. Next, mal second part. The call the merge sort for the second half. How to call the second half? Merge sort array. In left side part is M plus 1, right side part is R. The first part, array names are same, ARR, ARR. Here left side is L, right side is middle point. In second part, array name same. What is the left side part? Middle plus 1, M plus 1, right side is R. Okay, this process it is the call itself. Merge sort is a recursive calling. After go to the only one element, merge the 2 halves sorted in step 2 and 3. Okay, so that is the called the merge array L comma M comma R. Okay, is the merge the elements. Let's see the one more example here. And now I explain the right side part now. The 82945316. So you divide the how many elements in this array? 8 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 elements. So what are the indexes? 0 to 7. So what is the middle point? 0 plus 7 by 2. What is integer value of 7 by 2? 3. 7 by 2 is a 3. So what is the right side part? What is the right side part? The right side part starting after M plus 1 to R. Okay. I will show the algorithm part. The first step is find out the middle point. Next one is called the merge sort up to middle point, left to up to middle point. Second, well again call the merge sort the middle point plus 1 to right side. Next, merge, apply the merge of the 2 parts. Okay, I explain the detailedly. One more example. Okay. Okay, now I explain right side part here in this example. So middle point, middle value 6 by 2 means 3. So what is the right side up starting from 3 plus 1 to right side 1. So 3 plus 1 means 4th. fourth element to last element. So zeroth element 1, 2, 3, fourth. Fourth element starting from 5. So 5, 3, 1, 6 at the right side part. So, again, this is applied the again merge sort. So find out the middle element. So what is the 0 and here 4, 3. 0 plus 3 by 2, 1. So 0th and 1 is a one set and 1, 6 is the another set. Well, again, here L value less than R. So repeat the process. So 5, 3. Well, again 0 and 1. 1 by 2, 0. So 5 only one element. 5 plus 0 plus 1 means 1. So 3 is the another element. So here L is equal to R. Here L is equal to R. So stop here. Here apply the merge. So compare the 5 and 3. Compare the 5 and 3. 3 is less than 5. So swap the elements 3 and 5. Here 1 and 6. So 1 you come to here, 6 you come to here. So 1 and 6 are same order, no exchange. So both combined 1, 6, 1, 6. Now 3, 5 and 1, 6 merging. Okay, first element, first list, first element, second list, first element, compare the first list, first element with the second list, first elements. 3, 1. So second list, first element is the less than the first list, first element. So first 1 is placed in the target started array. So 1 here. Next, either control move to next place. So control value increased by 1. So 6 come to, now if control will point to the 6. So compare 3 and 6. So 3 less than 6. So 3 is placed here. Next, control increased by 1 now. 5. 5 and 6. So 5 less than 6. So 5 here. So in list 1 all are completed. So 6. So directly move to here. Okay, this is the merge sort process. See here one more example clearly. Okay, see the okay. What is the middle point now? What is the first? What is the first half? What is the second half? Respond in chat box. What is the first half? What is the second half in this list? 85, 24, 63, 45, 17, 31, 96, and 50. So here, how many elements? 8. Okay, 3 members are responded. 85 to 45 first. 85 to 45 first. Next, 17 to 50. Okay, 17 to 50. Okay, second list. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Okay, see the next step. Okay, procedures see the in graphically. So after first step, okay, this is the first part. 85, 24, 63, 45 is the first step. Next, in this side, it is completely going like this. But again, apply the method in this only. This only. So again, this part is divided two parts, 85 and 24. Okay, next 85 and 85 here and 24, 85 see here. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, okay, very good. Okay. Okay, see here one by one. Okay, okay, up to now. Okay, now the two first left part is divided by 85, 24, 63, and 45. Now, again, this part is divided into two parts. 85 and 24 is the one part. Again, 85, 24 divided into again two parts. 85 is the one. So it is the only, it contains only one element. So that sort itself. So 85 sorted itself is 85. What is the 85 sorted itself means? 85 in sorted order. So that's why it is again, mal again go to the right side. Mal again 24. 24 is divided. So 24 itself sorted means the 24. Now apply the 85 and 24 sorting. The place are exchanged. So 24 and 85. Before sorting 85 and 24. But here apply the sorting 85 and 24. Okay, 24 and 85. Next, this is go to the upside. So 24 and 85. Next, come to the right side, 63 and 45. So 63 and 45 divided 63 and 63 sorted itself. So it is 63 and 45 divided the 45 sorted itself. But go to the 45. Now 63 and 45 comparison. So 45 and 63. These two go into the upside, 45 and 63. Now starting in these two elements, 24, 85, 45 and 63. Now the sorted is order. The complete sorted order 24, 45, 64 and 85. Left side part is sorted. So 24, 45, 64, 85. Next go to the right side. 17, 31, 96, 50. Malagan it divided two parts. Okay. Okay. Graphics is not visible. Last two steps. Skip the two steps. So 17. Okay. 17, 31, 96, 50. But again divided to 17, 31 one part. 96, 50 is another part. So 17 itself is sorted. 31 itself is sorted. So 96. So 17, 31. Order is 17, 31. So 96 is sorted itself 96. 50 is sorted itself 50. So 96 in 50. 50 in 96 is a sorted order. After that, the 17, 31, 50, 96. Now go to the higher steps. Now these two are the two parts of the first two parts. Now apply the sorting in these two parts. So this is the sorting method. Okay. Okay. The last step means like this. Here to four elements, one list and the four elements another list. In this case, let's see here 14, 23, 45, 98, 6, 33, 52 and 67. Okay, in target array, target sorted array. So first one is compare the 14 and 6 first. So 6 is less than 14. So sorted in 6 is moved to the sorted array. So 6 to move here. So control is moved to now 33. Mal again compare 33 and 14. So 14 is less than. So 14 moved to the target array. So 14 here. Increase my control moved in this list one more place. So 23. So 23 and 33. So 23 is less than. So 23 moved to the sorted array and control moved to one position to the right side 45. Now 45 to 33 comparison. 33 is less than. 33 moved to sorted array. In this list control moved to one more position right side. So 42. Now 42 and 45. The 42 is the less than. So 42 moved to here. So 42 here. Next 45, 67. 45 less than 45 here. Now 98, 67. 67. So directly 98 move to sorted array. So 98. Okay, this is the order. Now I explain the program. Do you understand the example? You have the clear idea when you see the program also. Okay. Okay. See the program. I explain the one. Okay, first in main every C program must contain the main function. Main function leads the entire program. Okay, the first see the program here. I take the size of the array, size of list is size. The control variable some high. Array declared array of 10. I read the array size and read the uh, array elements. Okay, the first printf statement under array size scanf, it reads the size of the list. Second one, enter the list of elements. Printf statement, enter the list of elements. This for loop and scanf read the array elements or list elements. Next one is I print the before sorting. Given array is printed before sorting, and print array. I print the array using some function print array and size. This function print the array, and that apply the merge sort. I call here merge sort function with parameter. What are the parameters? Array name 0, the starting index value 0, and last index size -1. I call the merge sort with three parameters. One is the array name, lower bound mean lower index 0, and right side index size -1. Okay, this function sorted the list elements. After sorting, I print again sorted array using print array function. Okay, all of you clear about this main function? All of you clear about this main function? Okay, thank you 502. Okay, now I explain the merge sort. Here I call the merge sort with three parameters: array name, uh, starting index 0, and last index size -1. Now go to the merge sort function. In merge sort function, the void merge sort into array into L into R. Here the merge sort contains what is the formula? What is the actual formula arguments? Array, L, and R. Here three statements are there here. If L less than R in algorithm, if L less than R, first step is calculate the midpoint. M is equal to L plus R minus 1 by 2. L is equal to R minus 1 by 2. Okay. Next one, merge sort array comma L comma M. I call the merge sort again. Here this is the merge sort function. It calls itself again. This is a recursive function. What are the arguments again? Array name. Okay, in algorithm, what is the first step? Call the first part with left index and middle point. So left index L and middle point M. The second part, merge sort array M plus 1 after middle point element and rightmost element R. Okay, after that apply the merge of, this is the concur statement, merge of array L M R. Okay, all of you understand that this merge sort. Here in merge sort I call the merge, one more function merge. This is the very merge function. Combine the sorted arrays. Combine the sorted arrays. If I apply the sorting, merge function apply the sorting and combine the elements. Okay, do you understand this? All of you clear about the merge sort function? Merge sort function. Can I go to the next? Okay. Okay, now in merge sort I call the merge function array L comma M comma R. Here four arguments: array name, lower bound, middle point, and right bound. Okay, in algorithm, what are the four steps in algorithm? First, we have to find out the middle element of the list. So that is the M is equal to L plus R minus 1 by 2, the size -1 by 2. Okay, size -1 by 2. Next, the call the merge sort up to first element to middle element, the left side part, the first part. Again, call the merge sort for the right side part. right side part means start the first element is middle plus 1 to rightmost element. Okay, in see the example, we have seen in the example. Okay, main function, this is the main function. Main function calls the merge sort. Okay, yes, m is equal to l plus r by 2. I explained print array function. I write the one more place. I one function is there. Print array function is there. As we are passing size minus 1. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Here passing the size minus 1. So, okay. You pass the size minus 1, we calculate L plus R by 2 is enough. Not R minus 1. Not L plus R by 2 is enough. Okay, okay. Very good. Okay, pass the size minus 1. So, no need to R minus 1. If you pass the size, we take the L is equal to R minus 1 by 2. So we take the L plus R by 2. M is equal to L plus R by 2. Here R is the size minus 1. So no need to R minus 1. Yes, both are same. Both are same. But we are perform the operation in this function only. Both are same. We perform the operation here only. We functioning is here only. Okay. Okay. Middle point is equal to L plus R by 2. Middle value is equal to L plus R by 2. So sort the, okay, all of you understand this one. So go to the next merge function. So it first you calculate the middle point and apply the recursion first part of and apply the second recursion again second part. The first part contains the first element to middle element. Second part contains the middle plus 1 element to last element. After that, we are called the merge array with LMR. So here the merge function, see here merge function to the I take the three control variables ijk. That control variables ijk. Uh, the first one is in this example. Okay, n1 means m minus 1 plus 1. So means the first left side left first left side part array size. N1 is the left side part array size. N2 is R minus M. The right side part array size. N1 is the first list element. N2 is the second list element. So int L of N1 R of N2. I declare the two arrays L of N1 and R of N2. Okay, see the example. This function is this program is now this part is This part is contain the code about this statements, this function. Okay, now I explain code is execute this process. Okay, this is the left side part, left side part array. This is the right side part array. Okay, this size is n1, this size is n2. So first, I copied this entire. Okay, I copied this here. I copied this entire array into one L array. I copied this entire 17 to 96 in R array. R array. So that is the first L of n1 and R of n1. So left side part total array is moved to L of I. For I is equal to 0, I less than n1, I plus plus. L of I is equal to ARR of L plus Y, L plus I. So all elements are moved to the L of I. Okay, next part. Next, for I is equal to J is equal to 0, J less than n2, J plus plus. J plus plus. R of J is equal to array of R plus J. It is M plus L plus J means all elements are moved to the right side part. Okay. These are temporary arrays. L of I and R of J are the temporary arrays. L and R are the temporary arrays. Now I is equal to 0. I initialize I is equal to 0, J is equal to 0, K is equal to some 1, some I. K is equal to also 0, not I. K is equal to also 0. K is equal to also 0. Now first I less than n1, J less than n2. While here logical control statement I less than n1 and J less than n2. This loop is executed up to I value less than n1 and J value less than n2. L of compare the first list first element and second list first element. L of I less than or equal to R of J. L of I less than R of J. There is no problem. L of I less than or equal to R of J. Just R of K is equal to L of I. L of I elements move to the K and I value in this I value increased by 1. If else means L of I greater than R of J case, array of K is equal to R of J. R value move to the R of J value move to the array of K and J value increased by 1. After inside any one element, the K value increased by 1. This process continue up to we reach any one I less than equal to n1 or J less than n2. We reach the I is equal to n1. The condition is false. Logical and any1 is false. Total condition is false. So any list is completed. The process is stopped. After that, while I less than n, if any process is completed, any control reach to the last element size, then while I less than n1, I value less than n1 n2. Next, array of K is equal to L of I. All L of left side array completely move to the array of K. Array of K is equal to L of I value increased by 1 and K value increased by 1. Where while I is equal to I less than n1 or while J less than n2, J value less than n2. Array of K is equal to R of J. J plus 1, K plus plus. Okay. See here. Okay, see here. The left side part size is 4, right side part is 4 is size also 4. So first one you compare the 14 and 6. So L of I and R of J, L of 0 and R of 0. So which one is less than? R of 0 is less than. So 6 is moved to the targeted array or sorted arrays. So 6 moved and 6 is moved. The control J value increased by 1. So J plus plus. it is go to the 33. Next, it compare with well, again L of I. So the zeroth element L of I and R of J compare. So here L of J less than R of J. So L of J value move to the array of K. So 14 move to the sorted array. Now here I value increased by 1, I plus plus. Now it point to the L of I point to the 23. So L of I compare with R of J. So 23 less than 33. L of I less than R of J. Now 23 move to the started array. So array of K is equal to L of I. So 23 move to the R of J. Here I value increased by 1. When element is inserted in the sorted array, automatically K is increased by 1. Next 45, 33. L of I greater than R of J. So R of J value move to the array of K. So J value increased by 1 and K value increased by 1. Now 45 and 42. L of I is equal 45, R of J is equal 42. R of J value less than, so 42 move to here and J plus plus 67. 45 and 67. Here the J value moves to the size of array. J value now enter 67 and 45. So 45 is less than 67. So 45 move to the sort array. 98. Now I plus plus 98 and J value is 67. Now J value L of I greater than R of J. So J value move to R of J value move to array of K and J plus plus. J value now 4. J value now 4. L of anyone I less than N1, J less than N2. Then the process continue. Anyone reach the size. So now J is equal to 4. So stop the process. Now stop the process. I'll go to the second while loop. In what is the second while loops? Okay. Now this process is up these statements. The process is this statement. Now the J is reached to the N2. J is equal to N2. So this statement is not executed. I value not reached to the 4. Now I value is 3. 3 less than 4. Condition true. Array of K is equal to L of I. So 98 is moved to the sorted array. I plus plus. I value now 4. K plus plus. K value somewhere increase 8 or 9. So I value 4 less than 4. False. Okay. Are you understood this one? This code? Okay. Explain the one with one more example. Okay. See here. Here this list two parts 11 and 22, 44, 55 left side part, right side array is 5, 15 and 25. So first one here I is equal to small I is equal to 0 initially and J equal to 0 and K equal to 0. I J K equal to zeros. Initially K equal to 0. First one, this is the left side array. What is the condition? I less than N1 and logical and j less than n2. Here n1 is 4, n2 is 3. Okay, this condition is true. The first compare the left side array L of I less than or equal to R of j. If okay, left side array value L of I means initial case L of 0, 11, R of 0, 5. So L of 5 less than R of j case some resulted array or sorted array S of some k. S of k is equal to L of I. Next one, here increase the I value. So I plus plus, I plus plus, I value increased by 1. And else else means reverse. Okay, what is the else means? S of k, sorted array, S of k is equal to, what is the alternative case? S of k is equal to R of j. R of j, here increase j plus plus. After anyone doing, anyone is executed either L of I less than R of j or L of I greater than R of j. S of k is equal to L of I. In less than case, S of k is equal to L of I. Or in else case, S of k is equal to R of j. In this case, executed I value increased. In this case, executed j is increased. Anyone is executed, k automatically increased. K is plus plus. K plus plus. Okay. Okay, this after means first. Okay, this process means first it compare the 11 and 5. So which one is the less than? J value, right side 5 is the less than. So we reach the 5 here. So 5 here means here increase the position. J value increase by 1. Now J value 1. So L of 0 less than R of 1. L of 0 is 11 less than or equal to 15. But again, L of this way 11 is less than. So S of k. So the k value is increased by 1 already. So it is the 11. But again, I value increased by 1. Now I value 22. L of I is equal to 22. Compare with the 15. Compared to 15, the R of j is less than L of I. So the 15 is moved to the targeted array. So 15, the j value increased by 1. So R of j is now point to the 25. Find the 25. The 25 less than 44, 22. So L of I is the 22, R of j is 25. So L of I is less than. So 22 here. 22 move to side array, k value increased by 1. Now I value increased by 1. I value is L of I is 44. R of j is equal to 25. So R of j value less than. Less than means it moved to the side array 25. So now j value, now j is equal to 3. Now j is equal to 3. So what is the condition here? I less than n1. I value now here 0, 2. What is the j value? J is equal to 3. N2 value 3. J less than 3. The condition is not satisfied. So condition is false. In false case, this loop, we exit from this loop. After this, we come to the next statement. What is the next statement here? Here, if while I less than n1, while I less than n1, there are two conditions. If we have reached the any one list at the end, so if you reach this end, we copy this list rest of elements in the sort array. If we reach this list end, we copy the rest of the elements of this list in directly to the sorted array. So here I less than n1 means the left side array is not reached to the end. So sorted array of k is equal to L of I. Well, again increase the I position and k position. Okay. Otherwise, if we reach the first list n, reach the first list j less than n2, j less than n2. If we reach the j less than n2 case, we copy the all second list elements into the here sorry there S of k is equal to r of j and increase the j and k. Okay, now in this example, we is the j is equal to n2. So stop here. So next step is while I less than I value is 2, 2 less than n1 4. So 2 less than 4. So it copy the s of k is equal to L of I. So 44 directly copy to the sorted array. 44 directly copy to the 44 directly copy to the this sorted array. 44 here. And next I plus plus I value increased by 1 now. Now I value L of I is equal to 55. K plus plus k to the one more position. So 55 will again move to the sorted array. Now is sorted array is 5, 11, 15, 22, 25, 44 and 55. This is the process of merge sort. Anyone have the doubts? We have the clear. The first one is merge sort is dividing. Okay, thank you 502. I revise one more time. Okay, revise the program once again. Okay, merge. Okay, initially I, j, k all are zeros. When L of I less than R of j case, I is increased and k is increased. And L of I greater than R of j case, R of j value is less than L of I mean. That means R of j value less than L of I. So R of j value move to the sorted array. That's why j value increased and k value increased. Okay. When anyone is the end of the list, the second list element directly copy to the targeted array or sorted array. Okay. Initially all controllables I, j, k all are zeros. Okay. So the initially we read a size of the array and read the list elements. Next, we call the merge sort of with parameters array and 0 and size or size minus 1. Okay, next call the merge sort. Merge sort is calculate condition is if L less than R, we calculate the mid value L plus R by 2 and merge sort array L comma M 1 merge sort calling, another merge sort calling array M plus 1 to R second part, and after divided the merge concur is called merge array L comma M comma R is called. So array L comma N comma into a match the list elements. Okay, match the list elements. Okay, compare the first list element and second elements. If anyone is less than, that is copied to the sorted array. Okay, if you reach the anyone end, the remaining list element directly copied to the targeted array. This is the print function. The print function display the array. The print function display the array. Okay, I will share this PPT to the CRs. CRs will send you all. Tomorrow you have to execute the MedSort program. Anyone has a doubts? See the once execution. Uh, okay. Do you want a program execution? Okay. 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 Print error written 0 is there. Print error written 0. Okay. See the code. Enter the array size. Simply enter the 5. Size is 5. Enter the list elements 22, 11, 33, 55, and 44. Okay, sorted array. The code is executed. Oh, sorry. 22, some error is there. 22, 11, 33. Uh, 22, 11, 33, 55, 44. Okay, you can't hear my voice. Hello. Muted, not muted. Hello. Here. Now here or not? Okay. Now the time is 3:50. Okay. Okay. While loop K is must increase. Yeah. Yeah. K must increase in the second while loops. Here the K must increase it. Okay. K is equal to 0. K is equal to L పెడదాం. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Short array is 11, 22, and 33, 44, 55. Okay. I will send the program to your CRs also. Okay, can I stop now? You have to attempt the quiz. Tomorrow I will repeat the once again program. Yes, you have the quiz today. You attempt the quiz. Tomorrow I will explain the heap sort and the mid sort program also. Okay. Shall I stop the session now? Okay. I stop this session. You attempt this quiz now. Okay. Can I stop the session?